How to fix CapCut smooth slow motion not working. So CapCut users are facing which is smooth slow-mo not working as expected. So let's dive in and get it fixed. So you can try to create that smooth buttery slow motion effect, but instead it's choppy or just doesn't work. Don't worry. Here are a few reasons that happens, and today I'm going to show you some easy fixes. So first, you need to check the frame rate of your video. First, you need to go and select any video that you're comfortable with, where you would like to apply your slow-mo. And then you need to just simply go with the frame rate, which will be on the top. If your video was in low frame rate, like 24 or 30 FPS, then slow motion won't be as smooth. Like ideal frame rate for smooth slow-mo is 60 FPS or higher. So make sure your footage was shot at a higher frame rate. So go and expand your frame rate. Next, you need to try clearing CapCut's trash. Sometimes the app stores too much data, which can affect performance. So to do that, you need to head over to your settings and then scroll down and you'll find an option of apps. Tap on apps and then go with manage apps. From manage apps, you need to go with search, and here you can search for it. Once you tap on your CapCut, you need to scroll down and then go with the storage option. Under storage, you'll have a clear cache option. You need to go and clear your cache. After clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed, or go with clear data, which will be on the bottom, and then tap on clear cache and tap on OK. The next thing you need to do is head over to your App Store or your Play Store, go with search, and here you need to search for CapCut. And then you need to just go and update if you have any updates on your CapCut. And after updating, go and restart your device and restart your CapCut, and it will fix your problem. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.